Good day, this is Chrissy and
Joe's.
Joe's vlog. Enjoy everyone, please subscribe. Please hit the button. This is our house in the country, and in the front of it is an orchard, fruit trees. Let me walk you through all the photos that we have in the farm. So this is what we can see, what you can see on the farm. And we have some sheep, flowers, trees, mga kahoy-kahoy, or any kind of natural resources that you can think of. I hope you're gonna enjoy and like it, and please don't forget to subscribe and comment if you have any suggestions for the next vlog. So hopefully you're gonna have a great day. Ta-da! For now, that's the end of the blog that I can show you. I'm just missing the life of being at the farm since we have lockdown until November, so we can't go back to the farm. But I promise you all, if we already have the permit to go back at the farm to travel, for sure I'm gonna share it with you, and I can't wait for that day. So some of the photos that I'm uploading at the end of this blog are the people who gave me the love, the care, and understanding that never ends. I would like to say to my papa and mama, thank you for giving me the life on earth and sharing me whatever you can give me, and to my siblings. To Kuya, to Clifford, to CJ, I love you so much. Ate Minmin, and Dang, and to my angels, and of course, my happy Joseph. I love you guys to the moon and back.